Hello everyone, welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I will be making Dalgona without fail and cappuccino. So if your Dalgona not fluffy enough, all you have to do is whip the beverage long enough until you get luxe and silky thick creamy foam. I will be using instant coffee because it's much easier and 1 teaspoon of hot water. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Well, don't worry, nothing bad is going to happen. Well, I will be using milk frother. If you don't have it, no worries, you can use a whisk. I like to froth my milk because I like it thick. I don't know if anyone has done this, but I like this way. So now let's make cappuccino. First thing first, make the espresso. So now, froth your milk. Froth must have small bubbles and a glossy look. So in a perfect cappuccino, the froth should be a quarter of the total volume. Well, how do you recognize a perfect cappuccino? First of all, sip twice to see whether they feel the same both times. So how to assess a cappuccino? Start by looking at the froth. It must be completely free of bubbles and must be glossy. So there you go with no-fail Dalgona coffee and perfect cappuccino. Great way to start your day. So please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones and subscribe and hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.